I was making great progress here, but I blew the track off my machine. So, I'm gonna fix it. So inside here, you can see this bolt that's hidden by the protective cover. In the center of the bolt is the grease zerk to pump up the tensioner. You're gonna remove this bolt to be able to release the tension on the tensioner to reinstall the track. That is a 27 millimeter. I'm gonna take a bar and push in the tensioner now. Hopefully it'll go in. Okay, that went in nice. Pick the machine up. Keep your hands and feet clear out from underneath the machine when you're putting this track back on. Add grease at the tensioner zerk until you get about 3/4 of an inch of vertical play at the middle idler on the track. All right. Whew.